Good day everyone, Boris Gelfand from South Florida. Guys, today we're talking to investors who is thinking to go inside of the Airbnb business, how to handle, they don't know what to buy. Guys, our team can help you with this option. We're looking for new investors. And why we're looking, we have 2 years of great experience, which is we built couple of properties which is making good money. We raised value of those properties. So guys, our property looks 5 stars, and again, a lot of people is scared from renting their personal property because of damages, because of the tenants will destroy it. All the stories I heard. So this property, which is you're gonna see right now, we're running almost more than 2 years already. And again, the property raised in a value from $950. Owner spent around $50,000 in cosmetic stuff, and our stuff was added to this property as furniture, as pool tables, all dishes, everything. It was from our team, and again, it was investment to the property of the owner. And again, guys, today the property worth around 1.3, 1.4. Again, depends from the market and everything. Again, we can guarantee you to make money with us. And we can guarantee your property will not running down as a lot of properties on the market, which is we saw how other people do it, because it's we have property managers which is coming for each check-in, for each check-out. We checking property, not cleaning team checking the property. We personally is coming and check what's happened to the property, if it needs to be repaired, if it needs to be painted, or if something going to be replaced. For sure, we're going to have claims. I mean, you cannot do it, but we do it in a professional way. So what I can guarantee to you guys, your value of your property, you have some bad experience, going to be raised. You're going to make more income, and for sure, appreciate value going to be more higher when we're going to take care about. And again, if you want some samples, I can prove you, I can send you exactly addresses, gross incomes, and let's make business together. Feel free to ask me questions. I will explain you our vision, and always we can find some mutual agreement. Guys, Boris Gelfand, South Florida, looking for a business.